Hi, my name is Kirk Hamilton, your host of the Staying Healthy Today show. This is a show where we bring you key experts in the fields of nutrition, prevention, integrative and lifestyle medicine. We review the medical literature and we review case studies. Today's show topic is heart disease scare eliminates pain. I recently had a 60-plus-year-old female patient who got a coronary calcium score, and it was high, and she had high blood cholesterol. And so she got a scare from her doctor, and her sister had died of a heart attack, or had a heart attack, didn't die of one. And so she was scared. So we were going to do a little phone consult, and before that, she knew that I had recommended to go on a plant-based vegan diet like Dr. Esselstyn's diet of 4 food groups: beans, whole grains, vegetables, fruit, no oil, no nuts and seeds, just those whole foods. And anyway, she actually started the diet before she talked to me, and so I picked up the phone, and what she said was this. She goes, I started on the program because I knew you were going to tell me to try a plant-based diet, a whole food plant-based diet. And she said, after about 2 or 3 days, I felt really good. Now, what she said was she had a lifelong, as long as she can remember, history of fibromyalgia, general pain. And then she had had a fall off a ladder, I believe, and several years ago, and she'd had increased pain since then. And the first thing she noticed after the 3 or 4 days was her pain was gone. Now, she said she was eating a good diet at first, but then she said, well, I'm a baker, and I'm around a lot of people who bake in my community, and so we eat lots of baked goods and sugary foods, and I was eating more dairy foods than I used to eat. So here's the moral of the story. If she continues, I'm sure she'll do well in lowering her blood cholesterol, but in 3 days, that feeling of wellness comes from getting off foods you are sensitive to. And it's very clear. She got off dairy foods, and probably she got off a lot of wheat products that are baked goods that have sugar and oil added to them. And that's wheat, but it's everything that comes with that wheat good, from a donut to a muffin to a cake. And when you get off sugar, and when you get off those kinds of wheat products, and when you get off dairy foods, many people will have a reduction in pain. In her case, it was the fibromyalgia symptoms. Some people it can be knee pain. Some people it can be a migraine headache. So now, as much as I'm a plant-based guy, I said to her that, if you would have gone on a paleo diet, which is vegetables and animal food in particular, nuts and seeds, you probably would have felt the same way. Why? Because you got off dairy foods, you got off processed grains, which are mostly wheat with lots of sugar and oil added to them. So both diets got you off those major offending foods: sugar, wheat products, especially baked goods, and then also the dairy foods. So sometimes it's that simple, folks. And I would recommend the plant-based diet because it does everything at once, as long as you're not sensitive to some food in the plant-based diet. All right, my name is Kirk Hamilton. This is Staying Healthy Today show. Sign up for my health letter at stayinghealthytoday.com. Listen to my podcasts. Also listen to my Sloppy Vegan Cooking Show. It's on YouTube and on iTunes as well. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.